So guys, before we start, I wanted to show you guys this amazing, really cool fish shop. I think the name was called Exotic Fish and Corals. Super duper cool. You guys are gonna see some glimpse of the fish that they have in there. You guys should definitely check it out if you're on your way there or near there. It's in Connecticut. Again, I'll be putting the name down below so you guys can probably look it up and see if you guys are interested. I bought all the fish from there in this video, but watch. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys a quick little glimpse of the actual fish store. Look at the frontosa on there. Those are show quality. We had these beautiful koi, mini little pond inside of the fish store. I think it's like 800 gallons, 1,000 gallons. Super duper cool. They had this cool display tank as well with a bunch of goldfish. They even had fancy goldfish in here, but super duper cool. These are the kind of fish stores that I like, more of a mom and pop shop style, but definitely cool with the display. It's very clean. They do saltwater too, but you know me, I'm into fresh because, you know, it's just what I like. But super duper cool. Definitely check it out. Look at the frontosas in this video. Look at that. Beautiful. But yeah, if you guys are around in the neighborhood, definitely check it out. We saw this super cool black Jardini arowana. I was thinking about getting it, but he had a little hurt lip, so it wasn't for sale. Look at the peacock bass. Again, even thought about getting those guys, but they're gonna get too big and too aggressive for me. Saw these cool corals that he was putting as long as if you touch it with your finger, like they hide from you. Again, one more view of the fish. These are the more aggressive side fish. These frontosas are show quality again. Pretty pricey too. They had these cool axolotls too. They're like little aliens, but yeah. Again, we don't see a lot of these shops around me, so I definitely took more videos of the actual shop. But his prices weren't too bad. Definitely recommend if you guys get a chance, go check it out, visit. I bought fish here too. They buy from a lot of local breeders too, and as you can tell, I bought a bunch of fish. So let's put in the first fish to acclimate. Put it in there. Number 2 is my favorite, I think. Here we're acclimating number 1. I'm gonna try to get it to acclimate. Okay. You probably already saw what it was, but then we have number 2. And then number 3. We're gonna let these guys finish acclimating for another 20 minutes, and then we'll get back to them, and then we can release them and see what they look like in here with these rays. What up, guys? I ended up releasing the fish, and this is the day after. I had some plans that I was really late for, so I didn't really get to film. But let's get a look at this fish and see what they look like in the aquarium right now. Can you guys see the new fish? I just fed them, by the way. Here's one of them. Can you guys tell me what kind of catfish that is? Because I have no idea. It kind of looked like a shovel nose. Kind of like a shark vibe to it, so I thought it was kind of cool. And then we have my itty bitty ghost knife fish here, which is the biggest one I've ever had before. Super duper cool. Looks like I can't really see him this way, but super duper cool. It's hiding out. They like more structure, so I'm gonna put some pieces of probably rock in here so they can hide out. But super duper cool. My 2 new fish. Drop down some names below for this guy specifically. If you guys know the type of fish it is, or if you guys have a name for him, would be super cool. But anyway, that's it for today on this tank. Let's go check the other one. Here is one of them. Here is the second one. Super bright red from a local breeder. There's another one. Super duper cool. I don't know about the quality or anything like that, but his red is phenomenal. So definitely like. I got them, I think 3 for $90, so $30 a piece. Not too bad. But yeah, they're looking great. They're all from this fish store. I'm gonna put the link. Well, I'm gonna put the name down below, and I might be picking something else up, which will come in a future video. But definitely super cool. I went to the casino, ended up buying fish on the way back home. So, you know, me always spending money when I don't need to. But look how cool these guys are. Anyway, see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos just like this. Peace. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Why don't you check us out on TikTok and Instagram? We post daily there.